Hey guys, Mr. OBDEleven Car here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to launch control your MK6 Golf. So you want to make sure the engine temperature is up to 90 degrees. You want to make sure you have enough engine oil in the first place, so you don't wear anything out, because these are harsh on the thingy. All DSG gearboxes have a launch control, but on some cars it's disabled, so you do have to code it in. So this car, it doesn't actually have it properly, but I can show you how to do it anyway, because all you have to do is you have to code in with somebody, but that's pretty easy. Okay, so 90 degrees, make sure your temperature is at 90. That's the oil temperature there. Right, you want the ESP off, your traction control, so you just want to hold that until it changes color. There you go. Oh no, it didn't change colour, did it? It didn't change colour, it just flashes on there. So your traction control is now off. Okay, you want to put it into sports mode, handbrake down, and then you want to hold the brake and the gas at the same time, so you'll build up your revs like this. Ooh, can you feel that? It's gonna go. So you're holding it like that, and then you let go of the brake and it'll launch you forward. But normally on a launch control car you'll be at about 3000 rpm, but this car is about almost 2000. But it's still better than nothing. You will get tire spin as you don't have a traction control on, but yeah, depends how good your tires is. Alright guys, I'm going to let Labib take over. Are you ready guys? So there's no tire spin there, that was very good. So that was a very good launch. But if you had a proper launch control, you probably would have got a lot of the tire spin, because you would be at 3000 rpm, which is much higher than normal. So yeah, anyway guys, that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you turn back your traction control on, you don't want to crash. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.